Hi, Mia. Are you ready for your big day?
Yes, Leo. Today I am taking my first flight ever.
Wow, that's exciting. How do you feel?
Honestly, I feel a little scared, but also very happy.
Don't worry. Flying is safe and fun. Just enjoy everything.
I packed my clothes, snacks, earphones, and even my diary.
Good. You should write about your first flight experience.
Yes, I want to remember every moment.
And you can make a video too. Your audience will love it.
True. I will record everything.
Wow, Leo, the airport is huge.
Yes, look at all the people and bright lights.
I can see flights on the big screen.
Let's go to the check-in counter. Hurry.
They gave me a boarding pass. My seat is 11A.
That's a window seat. You're lucky.
I always wanted to sit near the window. Leo, security check was a little scary.
Why?
They scanned my bag and I had to walk through a big machine.
That's normal. Everyone has to do it.
But it was very fast. I feel better now.
Your flight number is on the screen. It's time to go.
Already? It feels like everything is happening so fast.
That's how airports are. Are you ready?
Yes, I think so. This is it, Leo. Thank you for coming with me.
Always. Call me after landing.
I will. Bye. Leo, I found my seat. It's next to the window. The plane looks beautiful inside. The seats are soft. People are putting luggage above the seats. I'm a little nervous. The plane is moving now.
Don't worry. Just look outside and enjoy the view.
Leo, the plane is going fast. Oh my gosh, we are in the sky now. Everything looks so small. The clouds look like cotton.
See, I told you. Flying is amazing.
I drank orange juice and watched the sky. I wrote in my diary too. This is one of the best experiences of my life.
I'm so happy for you, Mia. Enjoy every minute.
Leo, the plane is landing now. My ears feel funny.
That's normal. Just swallow a yawn.
It worked. The landing was smooth. I did it, Leo. My first flight is complete.
I'm proud of you. Welcome to the world of travelers.
I just picked up my luggage. Thank you, Leo, for supporting me.
Anytime. Now, enjoy your trip.
I will, and I can't wait for my next flight.